Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of Bleu de Chanel Paris. It is the Eau de Parfum. It's pretty dope. Let's give it a sniff. Got a little bit of plastic on it. Let me get that off. Sorry about that. That's how you know it's legit, bro. Wow, look at that packaging. That's fancy. So you can see it says Chanel, made in France. Cool beans. How do I open this thing without screwing up the box? Okay. And then, oh, look at that. That's nice. Wow. And in the box, there's this just piece of cardboard. Cool. So, there she is. Pretty sick. This is the, I think it's 3.4 milliliter. No, 3.4 fluid ounces. And it's got a magnetic cap to it. Look at that. How satisfying. Oh my God. Oh, nice. Let's give it a little spritz. See if it works. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. There it goes. Cool. Good little. I smell good. All right. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, peace.